What's going on, guys? Today we're going to look at how to build a spelling checker program using Python. So any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is install a module that isn't pre-installed in Python. To install it, we need to head on over into our terminal and type pip install text blob and press enter. And that will begin the installation process. Once it's done, let's go ahead and build our program. First and foremost, we're going to say from text blob import text blob. Then we're going to create a variable and I'm going to call it spelling. And in here, we're going to store our word or phrase that we need the spelling checked. So for this example, I'm going to misspell computer. I'm going to say computer. Then we're going to create another variable and we're going to call it check. And we're going to set it to text blob. In these parentheses, we're going to pass in the spelling variable. And now to get the correct spelling, we're going to say print check.correct. And now when you run the program, as you can see, it has respelled our word, and this time it has done it correctly. Now what if you want to check the spelling of multiple words? Well, to do that, I'm going to start off by clearing this. Then I'm going to create a variable and I'm going to call it list. And I'm going to set it equal to list. And in this list, we're going to have our words that we want to have the spelling checked. For this example, I'm going to use first and second, and I'm going to misspell these words. Then I'm going to create another variable and I'm going to call it list, and I'm going to set it to an empty list. Under this, I'm going to create a for loop that's going to go through and check the words in our my list that we created earlier. So I'm going to say for word in my list, correct list, append text blob word. So what this for loop does is that it's going to go through this list and check the words and append the correctly spelled word using the text blob module that we installed earlier. Now I'm going to create one more loop function that prints out the correctly spelled word. So I'm going to say for word in correct list, print word.correct. And that's all the code that we need. And now when I run the program, you'll see that it corrects the words first and second. And you can have as many words as you want. And with this extra piece, you can check single words, phrases, or even sentences. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.